Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing video. I actually got this yesterday and I already opened it. Whenever I get these, I honestly can't wait to open them. So I received it last night and I opened it just to get like a little sneak peek of what was inside. And you guys, there's a lot of good things in here, especially when it comes to the Glam Bag. That one is only $12 a month and there's a lot of good things in there. So if you guys are interested to see what I received this month for my Glam Bag and my Glam Bag Plus, then just keep on watching. Okay, so here is my box for the month of September. Before I open it, I do want to show you guys, well, I want to read to you guys what this month's theme is. So every month there's a little card in the box which tells you the theme for this month, and this month is Ipsy back to work, school, or life. And actually the bags are also really cute as well, so kind of like a little school theme going on here, really cute. So this is the Glam Bag. This one is $12 a month. So as soon as I open it up, I can already see my goodies in here. So let's just show you guys the first thing that I got. And the first thing in here is the Bad Gal Bang Bang Mascara. This is by Benefit. It's a little sample size. So this one says that 90% of people saw dramatic volume. So this is supposed to give you a lot of volume to your lashes. Yes please, because right now that I'm working and I don't, wear false lashes every single day, I do like to give my natural lashes a little bit of volume. So this I'm excited to try. And also another thing that I saw in here that I thought was really cool, this is actually a cream highlighter. So this is by the brand Galactic. And let me show you guys what this cream looks like because it's really, really nice. This is a glow on the go stick. So here's what it looks like. So this is in the shade Jet Setter. These are really cool, especially if you're not wearing a lot of makeup or you just kind of want to give yourself a little bit of a natural glow. These are really good for that. Nothing too intense, but I'll go ahead and swatch a little bit on here on the back of my hand so you guys can see. Wait, I don't know if it's focusing on my face or on the swatch. There you go. So these cream sticks are really nice if you're going to be doing very minimal makeup or even nothing on your face, just like some SPF. Throw this on, even on like your lid for some shadow. Really cool. I like these a lot. So up next, I got this gloss. This is by, I believe the brand is Nab LA or Nabla. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. But this is a Shine Theory lip gloss. And this is, I'm a gloss girl. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, this is for me. Because I love glosses and I love colors like this as well. This one does have a little bit of shimmer to it. Oh, that's really pretty. So it's right there. Sparkles really nicely. So I love this already. So the last thing that I got in the Glam Bag is actually this H2O Plus Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. So it's a little sample size to try this out to see how I like it. So just kidding, this is actually the last thing that I got for the Glam Bag. This is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. It's a hydrating facial spray. Let me open this up to see how it smells. I usually like rose setting sprays because they smell really good. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. And then it smells like roses, but it's not too strong, so I actually don't mind this one. So yeah, this is again a hydrating facial spray by Grace and Stella. So that's everything that I got in my Glam Bag. Again, this is $12 a month and you do get 5 deluxe samples. So now let's go ahead and move on to the Glam Bag Plus. Alright, so moving on, this is a Glam Bag Plus. This one is $25 a month and this one does come with 5 full-size samples. By the way, if you can hear that in the background, that's the washer. I have it running, trying to multitask, do 2 things at once. But anyway, so the first thing that I got in here is this Murad Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. So I don't really have acne, but I do get a little bit of, like breakouts. It could be because of the mask, I don't know. But I think I'm going to end up trying this out on one of my blemishes and see how this works. So then I also got these 2 sheet masks. These are by the brand Inature. I'm probably saying that wrong, but they sent me these 2 sheet masks, and this one is a Restore Sheet Mask. So this one helps with soothing and softening. And then this is a squeeze green mask, and this is a watery sheet mask, and this is to moisturize and refine the skin. So love these. I love using sheet masks, especially out the shower, so I'll definitely be using these. So moving on to some more skincare, I also got this hyaluronic acid. This is by the brand 111 Skin, and that's probably not how you say it, but this is what I got. So it says you can mix 1 or 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or you can just apply directly to your cleansed skin. So I will probably end up mixing a few drops of this into my moisturizer at night. So we have a little bit of hair care in here as well. So this is a Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I've tried scalp scrubs in the past and I love the way they make my scalp feel very like minty fresh. I don't know if this one's gonna make me feel that same way. So this is a gentle foaming scrub that removes product buildup and impurities to reveal a natural shine. So this is pretty cool. I put a little bit of wax on my hair today to kind of hold down my flyaways. So I'm gonna try this today and see how it works. Okay, and then the last thing that I got is this eyeshadow quad. This is by the brand Il Maquillage. They actually have a really popular foundation that basically just matches the color of your skin perfectly. I haven't tried that yet, but look at how pretty this is. And then the colors in here are beautiful. Kind of like a rose gold, and then you do have your darker shade over here on this side. So that's it, you guys. That's everything that I received for the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. If you guys are interested in signing up for either of the Glam Bags, I will have the link down below in the description. And also a huge thank you to Ipsy for continuing to send these boxes to me. And a huge thank you to you guys as well for always watching and supporting my channel. If you guys do like these types of videos, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That way I know that you guys enjoy them. And if you guys are not subscribed and you do enjoy my content, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment down below. Let's chat. But that is it. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.